This is my website. Here's my home page. Has just tiny bit. Got my photo of myself. Well, not really me, but a photo. My biography page. Just got a little tiny bit on there, but I got some words, some stuff. My word assignment. This is one of the first assignments we did. The whole different tasks we had to do in Word and things like that. My Excel is when we were playing around in Excel and all the little phone numbers, grading, all that stuff. PowerPoint. I did mine with my lesson plan that we did. So mine was accounting lesson. And then my webcast, let's go there. So here's my homepage. I tried to add a photo, but I couldn't get it. Every time I tried to save it, it just disappeared. So I tried that for all the different pages and it never worked. But so my introduction, I decided to do a poetry and then like a history of the poetry for the webcast. So they'd get into groups and discuss the history and everything of different types of poetry, and they would recite their own poetry that they wrote. So I got all the different tasks that they're supposed to do. I have then like the process they're supposed to follow. They create their own poems, get into their groups, discuss the history, research the history of the different styles of poetry. Then sadly I still couldn't get a photo. I was really upset about that, but and then like my rubric that I have here for them to grade, I decided to be out of 100 points because that's just really easy. The conclusions, I just let them know that I'm sure that they all did fantastic on it. Teacher page, so goes over like what I would say to the teachers, and then the standard that I did right there. So that's pretty much it on that. And then my other example, so that I did mine on the Asana, so that's the whole PowerPoint I did for that. And then my screencast that I'm doing right now will eventually go right here. So that's my website and my webcast and everything. Let's go back to the home page. Yeah.